for spooky time, everybody. So my story time is how I'm so bored at work. Right now I'm waiting for my eyebrows to dry. I have not had eyebrows for the past 4 days because of my costumes. On Halloween, on actual Monday the 31st, I plan on putting up a video of all of the pictures of the costumes. And spooky story, we have nothing to do at work. It's a slow time of year. We haven't had the lines running, and we're not allowed to go home. Like, they're not giving us a no harm, no foul. Like, we have to show up. So we've been doing offline work. You want to know what I've been doing? I was sent outside to weed, and I cleaned out trash cans. And today, I was informed that we're going to probably be mopping walls. Nothing scarier than your time being wasted. You can't get it back. But I hope that you have a happy Halloweekend and that good things happen to you and we can still be positive. I have a job and I'm getting paid to do nothing. So there's always a positive spin even if I'm still over here going. Okay, nails are done and now we're going through the car wash. What an exciting thrill. Oh my gosh, what a fun life I live. But yeah, I need to get the car washed and I need to put some gas in the car, run out to the store, you know, the usual. Woo, it's exciting. Woo-hoo-hoo! I got Halloween snackies. I got my Halloween adult beverage, and we are watching Halloween movies.
Sexuality and horror violence.
You're telling me. We're watching Bram Stoker's Dracula.
Winona Ryder, right?
Yeah. Okay. And so it's Halloween weekend, and this is what we do. We Hallow watch. Okay, so I have the Peter Thomas Roth pumpkin enzyme mask. I have a Biore mask. And then it's going to be bath time. I used my black bath bomb and my Bella Bubble Lugosi vampire thing. So I have half of that one left, and then I'm going to use Pumpkin Guy on actual Halloween. So excited. Self-care continue. Also, we got everything all clean. The wig caps are clean. This is the netting that I use to make all of my scales for the mermaid, for Medusa, for any snake, lizard, anything. The voodoo doll, the texture, I used net. And then I have my clean, just stained sponges and all my brushes.